That XKR file belongs to Ragnarok Online, the massively popular Korean MMORPG that captivated millions of players worldwide. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and work with these game data files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the XKR archive, even if it can't fully extract it. XKR files are game data archive files used by Ragnarok Online, containing packaged game assets, including sprites, textures, maps, sound effects, and configuration data. They store the client-side resources needed for rendering the game world and character animations. Ragnarok Online XKR files use a proprietary archive format with file entry tables and compressed data blocks storing GRF-compatible game resources. The format packages sprites, BGM sound effects, map data, and UI elements for efficient game client distribution and loading. The application responsible for generating the XKR file is typically Ragnarok Online by Gravity Kopnisi Lumnopwanast. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows cannot preview game assets or data, so specialized tools are needed to work with them. Let's utilize the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your XKR file, then click Open With. Test Ragnarok Online if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If the XKR file still will not open, there is no need to stress. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the XKR file begins. First, extracting game assets. Use GRF Editor or GRF Builder to open the XKR file and browse its contents. These tools display the archived file hierarchy, allowing you to extract individual sprites, textures, maps, and sound files. Navigate the folder structure to locate specific game assets for viewing or modification. Next, viewing extracted content. Open extracted sprite files, SPR format, in Ragnarok Online Sprite Viewers to preview character and monster animations. Map files can be viewed in BrowEdit, the community map editor. Sound and music files extract as WAV or MP3 for playback in any media player. Finally, modifying game data. Edit extracted assets using appropriate tools such as image editors for textures, BrowEdit for maps, and audio editors for sound effects. Repackage modified files back into the XKR archive using GRF Builder to create custom game modifications for private server use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.